how to change the background color in Figma. To show you this, let's create a frame first so you can distinguish between the frame and the background. So in order to change the color of the background, I want to make sure that I have nothing selected, so just click anywhere on the canvas. And now on the right hand side you should see this page tab here, and this place here where we can choose the fill. Just click on that and you can make it any color you want. Let's go with this one. You can do this to add some contrast to what you're doing, because maybe you're working in a specific color scheme and you want to create contrast between the frame and the background. So that's very useful to know. If your frame is going to be your background for the thing you're designing, we can also go into the frame and change its background color like this. Can make it any color we need to, like this. And that's how you change the background color in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.